Welcome back, guys. This is my first program in Python. We're gonna print hello world using Python. So this is the idle shell, Python 3.9.1. This is the new version, but the older version is outdated. I don't think it's in use anymore. Anyways, I'm just gonna get straight to it. Just gonna say print and hello world. Ta-da! Or if you wanna put it in the editor mode, you could always create a new Python module and print hello world. It's just the same, it will do the same thing, and then we could run module. Gonna save it. It's hello world. Ta-da! Thank you guys for watching.